Hi viewers, welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to fix the UCS axis position in AutoCAD. When we scroll the mouse wheel forward, we can see that the display zooming in, and when we scroll it backward, the display zooms out. But you may notice that the UCS axis in the bottom left corner keeps moving away from the corner every time you zoom. Bringing it back to its original position again and again can be annoying. We can fix this so that the UCS axis always stays in the bottom left corner, no matter how much we zoom in or zoom out. To fix the UCS axis position, right-click on the UCS icon. A menu will appear with several options. Scroll down and select UCS Icon Settings. In the settings, uncheck or turn off the option Show UCS icon at origin. Now the UCS axis will stay fixed at the bottom left corner of the screen, regardless of zooming. Thank you.